Hey, what's up guys, Ventesan here and today I am playing Blocky Dungeons with Srinjan and where is Anand?
Tyson Davidson, not Srinjan.
Okay, Tyson. Hey, where are you? Oh, I see you. Okay, I see you. You are riding your Rod, means my one is Rodri, see? I am riding Rodri. And guys, see my new sword. That's why I was there, means in the hatred swamp to collect this sword.
Hello.
And at that time, I found Rage Elixir. You know who Rage Elixir is? So sad you don't know. Tyson, do you know who Rage Elixir is?
No?
He is a famous YouTuber.
Oh.
Alright, see? What the? Where is Anand?
Anand is downloading. He can't come now, I think.
Anand, please come quickly.
Anand?
What the? Someone just returned WTF. Oh my. I don't know.
Okay, let's play now.
Oh yes. When Anand will come, just inform us, okay?
Hello, Anand.
Hello, Anand.
What?
You are here.
Anand, where are you?
Where are you, bro?
Come near the fourth one. See?
Before the forge, yes. Come before the forge. Okay, I will do some things. 1 minute. I need to sell something. I sold many things, but still I want to sell this thing. Say yes. And I don't want to sell this upgraded sword. I don't know how much it costs, but it is level 10 after all. See, 320. No, I am not selling this one. Where is Anand? Anand, please come quickly. I am so close to level up, you know.
I know. I am also
79.6%. I am level 24.
3%.
Huh?
Mine to 95.3%.
Oh, then you will level up quickly, but I will also level up very quickly. Okay, let's start a game, and after when Anand will come, just inform, okay? Anand, just inform us.
Oh, yes! I am here!
Yeah! Okay, I am taking the attack aura, okay? I am taking the attack aura, you take the health aura. Come with me. Overpowered mode. Hey, why did you left me? Srinjan left me. Oh my!
No.
Did you saw that? Srinjan,
My speed is lowering. How will I come?
bro, my dog Flare just killed 3 monsters at once. You saw that? He killed 3 monsters at once. Oh my god, he is super powerful, more powerful than me.
Who?
My Flare, my dog. Come on, Flare, come on here.
No.
Okay, you regain some health, I will kill this guy. Anand is still coming.
Oh, my health is so less.
Alright, die once, nah. What are you doing? Just die once, yeah. This level means not too hard. Means the last time when I played this level, the final boss was hard, kinda hard.
Hello. Wait for me. I am coming.
Okay, you come. I will just wait for you on here.
Where are you?
Alright,
Oh, we are coming.
come. Oh,
When? Come down.
alright. Home.
Let's
Alright,
see.
hold.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, I am going. I am going.
For the fourth one.
1 minute, just 1 minute. I am coming. Yes, leave the dungeon. I will add you. I will add you. 1 minute just. Where are you?
Okay, when Tennyson, I have seen you.
What?
But I can't see Anand Tennyson.
I can't see.
See.
Where are you? Where are you?
Got you.
Where are you? Come here. Come here. Come here.
At the left side. Left side. Yeah, Anand. See me. Yes, I am riding a horse now. See.
Yes, see, I am also riding my Rodri. You can't see me? Alright. Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you. 1 minute. I will join you. Just agree. Tap on agree. Tap on agree.
Yes, got
Okay. Now you are done for
Agree me.
Daibo's place. Start.
I will start. Ah. Anand Tennyson.
Alright. I am taking defense aura this time.
I am taking the health order.
Yes, Anand take the speed aura. Okay.
Now come with us. Arey.
Don't take that.
Okay, wait for a second.
Okay, you take that one. No problem. I will take the attack aura.
Wait for me.
Arey, come na.
Why this?
Anand, why the heck are you not listening?
Okay, come with.
I am taking the defense aura if Anand is taking the attack aura. Bro, please come. Please.
Okay.
Please come with us. I killed everyone.
Anand, don't attack on me. Oh, Anand has level up.
Yeah. Okay, let's Anand means come here. We will defeat this
Come behind us.
means with us, not behind us. I will kill every of these spiders, these annoying spiders. I don't like annoying spiders. Alright.
Come behind
Come
me,
us
Anand.
come with us, come with us. No, here. Tyson here, come with me.
No, come this side.
Arey, this side is the looting chest. I need the looting chest.
You will level up a much. Come with me.
Arey, here is the looting chest. Anand.
Okay, I will loot.
No, Anand, this is for Anand. Please leave it for Anand.
Anand, loot that one.
Okay, Anand, you got a sword. See, go to rolls and switch the sword. Okay, let Anand switch the sword. Wait for him. Swinjan, wait for him. He is switching the sword. Anand, switch the sword. Anand, switch the sword. Okay, he will not listen to us. Let's go.
Come with me.
Let's go. He will not listen to us. Badam bing. And Anand is fast. Okay. Anand, kill all this. You will level up so quick. Means if we will also kill them, no problem. You will also level up by that. Oh yeah.
I am killing everyone like a hero.
Yeah, and I am killing these annoying spiders like a hero.
Anand, come behind me. Anand.
With me. Speak good English. Where is Anand? Okay, he is there. Means Anand will get a peak too like us after completing this level. So complete this level, Anand. It is for you. That's why I choose Diablo's place. Or else I would have chosen Molten Land. Let's go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Take that.
I have come to the boss, okay?
Okay. Hey, you didn't kill these annoying spiders? I need to kill these annoying spiders. They are a lot of disturbance. Means they disturb a lot. I will kill these annoying spiders right now.
Anand Tennyson, kill him.
Okay.
Come behind me. I have killed.
Yeah, you go and level up. I will kill these annoying spiders. They deal.
You kill the boss. You kill the boss. You don't kill. You kill the boss. I will protect you.
No, no, no. Do one thing, bro. No, Flare, what are you doing? Why are you going on the lava? Don't go on the lava, Flare. Come on. Good boy. Don't. No, 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 no. Please, Flare, listen to me. Okay. I am not. I am going to die.
Kill the last one. Okay.
I am going to die for my Flare. Okay. No problem. He is my pet. No problem about that. Why don't you listen to me, Flare, huh? Why don't you listen to me? I am on lava for you. You don't take any damage from lava. I know that.
Done. Anand. Okay. I think. Oh, done. Anand, take the loot. Take the loot. We have completed the dungeon. Maintention.
Okay.
Yay.
Anand, which level are you?
Anand, I think level 7. Oh my god.
Okay. So we need Anand to level up once more. Okay. I am.
Okay.
Uh.
Anand, we have played this Daibo space again.
Okay. Just for you.
I am taking the attack order.
Yeah, I am taking the defense order.
Take the order. Anand, take the order. You will die.
Anand.
I am killing them.
Anand, come with me. Take that green thing. Green thing. Come with me. Come with me. Green thing. Green thing. Not that one. Come with me. Green thing. Anand. Green thing. You are colorblind or what? Huh?
Come behind me now. Arey, don't beat me like this, man. Tana, tana.
Para 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 pa para.
Anand Tennyson is looking great now. Oh,
Yeah.
my speed.
Bro, change your sword. Hello.
I change my sword.
No, Anand. Anand, change your sword. Go to rolls.
Come here, come here.
No, no, no. Come with me. Come with me.
Ben Tennyson clear the
Don't. No problem. Come with me here and loot this chest. Anand, loot this chest.
Okay, this one, this way, this way, this way.
Oh my, he is not listening to me.
Oh my god.
I
Yes,
am
come
going to
here.
loot this
Oh, no,
chest
he is
now.
right. Come behind me.
Okay, I got a sword which I got that sword. All of us got a sword. Go to rolls.
No.
Anand, stop right there and go to rolls. Go to rolls.
Anand, come behind me.
Go to rolls and change your sword. Anand, please. Okay. Very good. And Flare, don't fall off. Please, Flare, don't fall off.
Kill the boss, Anand, kill the boss.
Flare, don't fall off. Okay?
I have leveled up.
Good boy. Don't fall off. Flare, very good. Oh my. These annoying spiders are so annoying.
Anand, where are you? You're trying to kill him, okay.
Hiya!
Ben Tennyson, wait for us.
Hiya! I am killing the spiders.
Oh, Anand level up. Yes.
Yeah, one more level up and Anand is done for. No problem.
Come.
Hiya! Oh no, I am on fire. I am waiting for a second because I am on fire. You both go. Hiya!
I am clearing this
Hiya!
gate. You go forward.
You go with me. Means you come with me. Okay? Come with me, Anand. Come with me. Okay? Here you see the boss. I will protect you. Just means I will kill all of these minions. You kill the boss. No, Anand. No, I will help you. Don't worry. Flare, help him. Help Anand. Okay. You killed the boss.
Oh, both these annoying
Very good.
spiders.
Very good, Anand. You are leveled up now. We can go to Molten Land.
Me also.
Yes,
You are taking
yes.
only Anand.
I will take you afterwards. Bro. This one is bigger one. Don't you dare kill my friend. I will kill you if you kill my friend. And I killed you.
God.
See, you got a shield, Anand. Go to and change your shield if it is good one. Yay!
I have killed and then you completed the one.
Hoo-yah!
Bala. Marathi. Hey, where are everyone? Molten Land! Oh my god, my favorite place.
Okay, I am killing these monsters. You all get the auras, okay?
Okay, I am also killing the monsters. Don't take
Okay.
it from you only.
Anand, get the defense aura, okay? Don't get the health aura. Shinjan already got the health aura. I am taking the attack aura. You take the defense aura. No, Anand, take the defense aura. We all will get defense. We all will get defense. We all will get attack. We all will get health. Oh my. Shinjan, where are you?
The monsters and you are chatting only.
No, he is not listening to me. I am also killing it. Means them. Oh my.
Okay, my life is so less, then I can.
Oh my god.
Let me
My flare is helping Anand.
bro.
My flare also knows that Anand is a big noob. I am just kidding, bro.
Okay, I'm going forward.
Hey,
You kill
no.
kill
Just
the
kill
boss
this
last
monster. Kill this monster. This
Okay, I
is
will kill.
okay.
Anand kill. Good.
We got a shield.
Anand doesn't.
Alright.
I
Don't
got
worry.
anything.
I was saying don't kill these creepers alone. They will blast after dying. That's why.
Oh no.
And Anand is no. Shinjan is gone. Okay. No. Neep. Okay, Flare. Very good. Boy, I killed him. Alright. Don't go, Anand. You will die. Don't go. I will. Okay. You leveled up. Very good.
Okay, I am.
Now don't go to these creepers. They will all explode.
Wait for me.
Don't worry. My dog will kill them. Don't worry about them. Alright. That was a double hit.
Why are you not waiting for me? I am also your teammate.
Oh yes, you are my teammate. But you are not means Anand, right? That's why you can do it all alone. But Anand needs help. That's why I am helping him.
Everything and what will I do? Eating grass or fryer?
Eating grass. No. You are not a cow that you will eat grass. I am telling that.
My boar will eat grass.
Don't worry. No.
My
No. I warned you and you didn't listen to me.
I know. Sorry, we know.
Okay.
Not-
Let's
I'm
jump. I haven't died in this level once also. I haven't died in this level once also, and you all have died so many times. Oh my god. That's why I was leveling up. Oh yes! Level up! Let's go! Let's go! Hiya! I am level 25. And my health is also good to go. Flare, kill them. I am leaving you to kill them. No, Anand, don't kill them. My flare will kill them. They will explode. Come here. Don't kill them. I said you that they will explode. Alright, now kill them. The creeper is gone. Flare, come on. Okay, you are teleporting. Very good. Kill these guys and come. Okay? Very good. Alright.
And I got a loot.
Oh, legendary! Oh my, that was really a good skill. Alright, I killed that. What happened? Reconnecting.
Okay, ventilation.
Alright. Anand, where are you? Budi, 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 budi. Budi, 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 budi. No, 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 neep. Yes, very good, Flare. Good boy. Kill these guys. Yes, Flare, do it. No, Anand, don't kill them. They are creepers. They will explode. Alright. You didn't listen to me. Flare would have killed them. Okay, no problem. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? I will kill this creeper. Alright. Oh my, did you guys saw that? Hello? Did you guys saw that? I was just going to fall off in the lava and that creeper saved me. Means the creeper, the monster,
Oh my.
he exploded.
Me also like that.
Me
Anand, come with
means
me.
he
You will
exploded
really
and I
die.
got saved.
I know.
Alright.
Really die. Okay.
It is loading a little bit. The first Anand,
Please wait for
the first.
kill the boss.
Don't go, Anand.
Kill the boss.
No, no, no.
because of you. When
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, I am waiting. You both come. I will heal a little bit.
Why are you not moving right now? I have moved a lot of it. I am moving in a great speed.
I am on my Rodri. When will both of you come? Huh?
I can come in, no.
Rodri is trying to go in the battle. No, Rodri, don't go. Don't go.
Behind.
Where are you both?
I was just
You both
falling
are
in the
at
lava.
the start. Oh my god. One of you are coming and the other one is staying there. Alright.
Who is sitting behind?
I don't know.
I know. Why are you waiting there?
Alright, Sinjan, you are coming. Yeah. Let's go kill the boss. Alright, you kill the boss. Nom 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 nom.
Okay.
Alright, we are doing a decent means
Going on.
what?
And
Oh my! We got a shield and Anand also got a shield. Okay.
but it doesn't feel it that. Hey, you.
Yeah, where is Anand? I don't know. He is taking some damage, but I don't know where
I
he is.
don't know how he's taking damage. We're still able.
Oh, I got it. He is taking damage by the lava. He fall into the lava. I know that.
Hey. Anand,
Okay, we are at the last boss.
Let's go.
We are at the last boss fight. I am killing the boss.
No.
Where are you? Where are you both? Oh my, I am going to die. I am going to die by this boss. Oh my, please, boss, die. Mr. Boss, die. Flare, kill him, Flare, kill him. You can do it. You can do it, Flare. Flare, help me. No. No, I died. No problem, I will again go and try to kill the boss. This was my first means Hello. This was my first death
Block your way.
in this means game. This was my first death.
I know.
Means I would have died once, but that creeper saved me. I am thanking that creeper. 1 minute. Okay. I am lagging. Don't lag. Alright. It's good. Good.
The lava, I will kill alone the boss.
Alright. Where are you guys?
Oh my
Oh my god.
god. Oh my god, oh my god.
Where are you guys?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey, where are you?
Like a food. It's going like a food.
Where are you?
Hey friend, how are you? Okay, you are lagging. You are not lagging, dear. My connection is not good.
Yeah, my connection is not good. Alright, this is the
And
first.
Anand also died. Quentin is a new guy, please.
No, I am just going to the first means last boss. I haven't yet
Please wait
reached.
for us. You will kill alone. Ah.
Hey, where are you?
Please don't kill the boss. You
No,
keep
I am
on
dying.
and Go from there.
I am
I will.
dying because of this lava, stupid lava. Alright, now I am solo. I will try to or not. I died because of that lava. Bro, wait for me only. Please wait for me. Okay.
Both of you are lagging much behind, and I will see.
Please. I also heard you and I didn't kill the boss. Please wait for me. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I am waiting. I will kill the boss. On and boss, how are you?
Alright. I am really very lagging.
I will down now. Anand, fight with him. You will die at first. Let me regain my life. Ah, oh my god. It's coming.
Please. Please.
We can't kill them. He's so powerful. How will we kill them?
Please wait for me.
When
Please.
Jason come behind a bit, we are going.
Oh no, I am again on fire. You must be kidding me. Oh no.
Jason is so bad. He has a such of level. I
I
will level up a bit. I am of 88.6%. Please leave me with monster. You won't? Hey. Hello. What? You won't? No. Oh no, please. No. Thank you.
none of us won. But
Please.
someone is going to win. Hey, where are you, Tyson?
I am a bit behind you.
Oh. Then you should be very much behind. Because the monster is now totally dead. Dead.
No!
Dead.
Tennyson has given such a lot of pain to us.
Uyya. Hiya. Lovely. Oh my. Flare just one shot that guy. Oh my god. Very good, Flare. There are still monsters left. Kill these monsters, Flare. Oh my. Kill all of them. Kill these guys. Please, Flare. Kill these guys. Alright.
You are very bad.
Kill these.
Kill you.
kill this. Means I said you. The means monsters are left. And I will die soon. Okay.
I have killed you. Yes. I have killed you. I have killed you. And I won. I'm going out, okay? Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
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 Let's go to the PPB.
What?
Or what is this? PVP.
Yeah.
Let's
PvP.
go to the PVP.
Okay, let's go to the PvP and let's fight with all our strength.
Oh, please, please.
Okay, I will. No problem. I will play with you.
One kill. And I also kill.
Alright, I am stopping this recording, but I am means going to play Bedwars with Anand Tenishan.
So me,
I will kill all of these. I will kill KO.
I will. Wait.
Kill. KO.
No. Wait.
KO.
I have given the party.
Alright, 1-2 shot and he will be dead. I am killing everyone here. Bro, they are so much low in level. And you are nothing, bro. You are nothing. Okay, take that. Yeah, tell. What?
20
Where are you? You die. You die. 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 What? Okay.
I have given the party.
Alright. Bye for now. And see you guys in the next time. Bye bye.